Staying in Palava is something different. Prior to this, I was staying in Gulf for last 10 years, and the amenities and the culture what we are getting it here for my kid and the education, as Lora has been one of the best school teachers are really very friendly. Apart from that, my work is here as well. Happy to be in part of Palava.
Well, I enjoy to be here because the best part is the school is here, very close. It takes hardly 5 to 10 minutes for me to drop her and take. Even though I go out, we have the daycares and very good facilities inside. His profession, everything revolves around Palava. So basically, I'm a homeopathic doctor, so I get a lot of people to reach here and give them the proper treatment. My daughter enjoys her school and the entertainment around. I really enjoy to be in Palava.
Actually, we have moved from a very congested city called Bhandup. We have come to this zone, to a very pollution-free zone and a fresh air. We actually enjoy staying here because of the ambience we get. The only best gift you can give it to your kids and your parents is staying at Palava. That is what I feel actually, and that is what is my dream home. Normally, people have two homes. It is called living and a holiday home, but I get both of things here. I again feel that I am enjoying my holiday for 365 days a year.
The experience is really great in Palava. We love the place. Like in Mumbai or Kharghar, where I am from, we didn't get any opportunity to participate in sports and any other extra cultural activities. But here we have got so many arenas. I participated in cricket, then badminton. It's really great. We enjoyed here. We make new friends through that.
We came in 2014. From there, we built a very good friendship in this place, and it is new and the joy is good. For the kids, anywhere in Mumbai, to leave them alone, it's very tough. As a Palava, we have a very good security facility, and even we can leave our kids openly and they can spend their time with independence. That's what we see here. It's a model place. That's what we can say. We like to live in Palava.
We come here to Expedia Mall, which is just 5 to 6 minutes away from my flat, and we got everything. So we spend our weekends, like we go to movies, we go to Thai spa, food court, and everything.
I'm staying here from last 5 years. I'm enjoying the life here. We celebrate various activities here. I like to participate in all the activities. Yeah, like we had a grand celebration for Diwali, and also for Christmas. In this mall we had a big Christmas tree where we can be able to click our pics with that. It was really exciting. I really love staying here. Right from Bella to Gold, Golf Links, Rio, everyone is my friend here.
This is Palava Times, and it's our newspaper here. And this comes every 3 months.
The most luxurious and secured place is my home, Palava. My passion is to play golf, and I'm playing that golf with the help of Palava.
I have made my son as a golfer just because we stay in Palava. This is the main reason. Otherwise, it was very difficult for me to make him as a golfer. One of the best USPs of Palava is that it is highly secured. There are more than 400 cameras all over Palava. On the gates, main entrance, there is a huge checking. There is a 911, 311 service, which we get facilities in the US. Same facilities are over here.
I'm Palava.